Lavien Icon Pack is an Android application designed to enhance the visual aesthetics of a user's smartphone by providing a collection of beautifully designed icons. This app is particularly appealing to individuals who want to personalize their device's home screen and overall user interface with unique and artistic iconography. Key features typically include a wide variety of high-definition icons, often characterized by a modern and stylish design that complements various themes and wallpapers. Lavien Icon Pack usually offers icons for a vast range of applications, ensuring users can customize nearly all of the icons on their device. Additionally, the app often includes a user-friendly interface that allows for easy browsing and applying of icons. Some versions may offer features like icon masking and support for dynamic calendars, enhancing consistency across the app icons for a more cohesive look. Overall, Lavien Icon Pack serves as a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their Android device's appearance, providing a straightforward way to customize icons and create a unique and personalized user experience.